अँथनी डिसिल्वा काल ॲक्च्युली हांवें एक व्हिडिओ चयला. एक सिनियर पोलीस ऑफिसर तो सांगता सीएमान ताका फ्री हँड दिल म्हूण. तो इट मीन्स देर इज ऑलवेज अनदर साइड that the CM does not give free hand maybe. So now that he has given you free hand, my humble request, यांका हे SIT फॉर्मेशनान कोण कोण पण सांपडले because of the courage of one Mr. Francisco Noronha. We have to salute him, and I want to salute him for coming forward and fighting this battle and unearthing such a big scam going on. And माझो एकूच रिक्वेस्ट आहा to all the police officials and to the CM, as he has given a free hand to everybody, please pin these people down, book them properly. The कोणूय जावं, let us show that at least in some cases we really have the backbone of steel. तो खंयचे पार्टीचो जावं, I don't even want to name the party. Although there are certain needles are moving about certain professions and certain parties, forget about all these people. First pin the top officials who have got involved. The government officials down, the politicians down. As like always there is an Australian and the Switzerland Prime Minister always says, and the Singapore Prime Minister and Southern Mullah, first pin the ministers who are doing corruption. The bottom line will spread out properly. So, एक request asa. I also congratulate the police department, the CM, and Francisco Noronha, the one person. Arrest all the people with whatever the name's title may be. Whether it is Amar, Akbar, Anthony, it should not differentiate there. There are some people who has taken the names of Catholics or Christians and Hindus and trying to connect themselves with the Portuguese laws, Portuguese names. Soglang, try to get this to the bottom level, get some of them arrested in the initial stage, and we'll see a lot of wonders coming up. Dev Bara Guru, thank you very much.